This is the AVez shifter lever with its own shifter nut. It can avoid the end user to bend shifter lever on purpose. And easy to shift the gear, so you can see shift the gear by heel. Same way on the other side. Because this device can prevent from user to pull out the lever, they only can push in by heel and never mistake happen. How to install the Anti-vandalism EZ shifter lever. The shifter nut must be approximately flush with the surface of the crank. When being pushed, it can protrude up to 1 mm. The shifter nut in right position after pushed. Cover the crank by EZ shifter lever, then fixed by M3 screw and washer.